Imagine having a lower house payment, or if you're looking to purchase a new home, imagine getting a lot more house for your money. It's possible by our sponsor, Mitten Mortgage Lending. They can help and make that happen. Joining us is Chris Sbonek, a broker and owner of Mitten Mortgage Lending. Thank you for being with us.
Hey, good morning, Toddy. Thanks for having me.
So, Chris, tell us a little bit about Mitten Mortgage Lending. What are you guys all about?
Well, we're a local company. Our office is located right in downtown Wyandotte, so all of our employees live and work right here in Michigan. We really pride ourselves, though, on our communication and our customer service. We often say that we're a customer service company that just so happens to do mortgages.
All right. So how can people shopping for a new home right now get more house for the money as opposed to waiting until later this year?
Well, that's a really good question. So the Federal Reserve, who controls interest rates, they've already alluded to several interest rate hikes coming up this year. So let's talk, for example, about somebody with a $2,000 a month monthly budget. That person is going to be able to purchase almost $100,000 more in terms of home value right now versus if they wait a year and rates go up. So I'm not at all saying everybody needs to stop what they're doing and run out and go buy a house. But if it is something you've maybe been thinking about or been considering, now might be the time, because you're definitely going to get more bang for your buck.
Yeah, and that's good information to have if you are in the market, for sure. But if people aren't looking to move, what kind of advantages are there to refinancing right now? And what kinds of benefits does this give your clients?
Well, rates have been really low for 2 years now, but historically speaking, even though they've started to creep up, historically speaking, they're still very low. So there's still a lot of ways we can help you save. You know, we might be able to lower your monthly payment. Maybe we can shorten the term you have left on your mortgage. We might be able to eliminate that monthly mortgage insurance that you've been paying. And in some cases, we have clients that are able to do all three, just depending on their situation. With that being said, though, home values are obviously way up. What that means, though, is homeowners have more equity than they've ever had before. So now might be a great time to take a cash out loan and do a home renovation or maybe a home improvement you've been thinking about. Maybe you want a new kitchen. Maybe you want a new bathroom. Or maybe you just spent a little bit too much over the holidays and you have some of that really high interest credit card debt sitting there. We can consolidate that high interest credit card debt and do a much lower rate with a cash out refinance and save you some money. And anytime you refinance, you're going to get to skip a payment too, which is obviously always nice.
That's always helpful. So what kind of relationship do you have with your clients, would you say?
Well, anytime we work with somebody, our goal is to be their mortgage resource for life. So we want it to go much further beyond just that one purchase transaction or that one refinance transaction. And that goes to say, if something doesn't make sense, we're just going to come right out and tell you. We're not going to push you into anything. We're not going to do anything for you that's not going to put you in a better financial situation. You don't just have to take my word for it, though. If you Google us, you'll see we have over 125 five-star Google reviews from our past clients, which we're extremely proud of.
All right, now let's talk about this a bit. How are you involved in our community?
Well, I'm really glad you asked. So we just posted our scholarship application to our website. We really wanted to give back to the communities in which we work and we do business in. So Wayne County, Oakland County, Macomb County, if you're a graduating senior, you're eligible to go online to our website and find our scholarship app and apply for our application. You don't have to be going to a college or a university either. Maybe you're going to trade school. Maybe you're going off to serve our country. Maybe you're starting your own business. Whatever the case is, if you're a graduating senior this year, you're eligible to apply for our scholarship.
And that's great that the scholarship can go for so many things. That's awesome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. This is great information for all of us, for sure.
Thanks so much for having me.
It's our pleasure. To learn more about how Mitten Mortgage Lending can help you lower your payments, get more house for your money, and more, visit the website mittenloans.com. Again, that website is mittenloans.com.